What Canoe's purpose in life to do is to provide the programmers and the advertisers the ability to swap out that old ad with a new fresh campaign. Canoe's name came from, at the time, the leadership of the industry sitting around a conference table said, well, Comcast could do a component, do it all by themselves, figure it out. Cox, one of our other owners, could take a different avenue, a different component, do all of that by themselves, report back. Or we could all get into the same boat, row together, and solution this for the industry. And that's where everybody gets in the same canoe. That's where the name Canoe came from. HP has always been a great strategic partner for us, but as this whole ecosystem in the television industry has matured, has taken off. The first year we did maybe 2 billion decisions. The second year of our operation, we did 9 billion decisions. We'll be close to 20 billion decisions this year. So from, as I put on my IT hat, that's a nightmare. Trying to get in front of the technology, the acquisition of equipment, just unbelievable. I can't order and buy equipment fast enough. Finding a vendor that would allow us to not only do all of our environments, but really focus on delivering that high-performant, quick growth solution in a private and public cloud scenario was really what we looked for. So it was actually very interesting as we came across Zayo late in the game, late in the calendar year of 2014. Here's a vendor that came to the table, introduced to us as a premier partner from Hewlett-Packard. So HP says, here's a partner who can actually provide all three of these services for you. Zayo really took the time to listen to our technical requirements, understand the dramatic growth in our business, have an appreciation for that, and had the talented team that could actually deploy these services in a collapsed time frame. And within 3 weeks, had not only all of our production environment up, but we were actually transitioning into that environment. That was fantastic. That only happens with a partner that actually delivers and understands and listens to their client. It is a very unique partnership, and the way it happens for us is having HP introduce us to a premier partner like Zayo. That was meaningful. Every 2 weeks we do a sprint of feature development. An infrastructure provider, Zayo, allows me to deliver features into our marketplace on that kind of pace. So with the frequency of every 2 weeks, I'm now able to not only on the software side develop features, but have deployable infrastructure available, whether it's additional processing capacity, if it's networking components, or if it's storage components that relate to that feature set. On a very fast pace, I can now deploy those so that my end customers, national programmers and cablecasters, for example, now have those features available to them. As opposed to historically, I could build software very quickly, I could turn around, I could qualify it, but I may then be behind the 8 ball waiting for servers to be delivered, waiting for additional rack space to be made available, waiting for people to look at, configure the baseline operating system. All of that goes away in our partnership with Zayo.